Exploring the branches of archaeology, from prehistory to modern applications. UGC-Net Anthropology. Unit 5. Part 5.1. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC-Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. Anthronet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Anthronet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. 1. Prehistoric Archaeology. Prehistoric archaeology deals with the study of human history before the invention of writing systems. Since no written records exist, archaeologists rely entirely on material remains stone tools, pottery, dwellings, bones, and rock art to reconstruct the lifeways of early humans. Time frame: from the earliest known human ancestors, Paleolithic, to the dawn of recorded history, varies by region. Key goals: understand human evolution and adaptation, reconstruct subsistence patterns, technologies, and social structures, trace the transition from hunter-gatherer societies to agricultural and urban civilizations. 2. Ethno-Archaeology. Ethno-Archaeology uses the study of living or recently existing traditional societies to draw analogies for interpreting archaeological findings. Approach: archaeologists observe how people in these societies make, use, and discard objects and how these behaviors leave traces. Importance: helps in bridging the gap between ancient artifacts and their possible uses. Provides context for understanding spatial patterns, tool-wear, and refuse disposal in ancient sites. Example: studying pottery making among rural African communities to understand similar prehistoric ceramics. 3. Experimental Archaeology. Experimental archaeology involves replicating ancient techniques and processes to better understand how artifacts were made and used. Approach: recreating stone tools, building ancient-style houses, or cooking with prehistoric methods. Benefits: tests hypotheses about ancient technology and behavior. Reveals practical constraints and time requirements of past tasks. Example: knapping flint tools to understand manufacturing waste patterns. 4. Environmental Archaeology. Environmental archaeology focuses on the interaction between past humans and their environments. Scope: includes archaeobotany, study of ancient plants, zooarchaeology, animal remains, and geo-archaeology, soil and sediments. Goals: reconstruct past landscapes, climate, and ecosystems. Understand how environmental changes influence settlement patterns, agriculture, and cultural development. Example: studying pollen grains in ancient sediments to reconstruct prehistoric vegetation and climate. 5. Settlement Archaeology. Settlement archaeology examines how and why human communities were spatially organized. Focus areas: Location choice, proximity to water, defense, trade routes. Size and distribution of dwellings. Regional settlement networks. Importance, reveals patterns of social hierarchy, economy, and interaction between communities. Example, mapping ancient village layouts to infer social organization. 6. Cognitive archaeology. Cognitive archaeology investigates the mental and symbolic worlds of past societies. Focus, beliefs, rituals, art, and the development of abstract thinking. Evidence sources, cave paintings, burial practices, symbolic artifacts, astronomical alignments. Goals. Understand the origins of religion, language, and symbolic communication. Explore how cognitive development influenced cultural evolution. Example, analyzing megalithic monuments for evidence of astronomical knowledge. 7. Geo-Archaeology. Geo-Archaeology applies geological techniques to archaeological questions. Methods, sediment analysis, soil micromorphology, geomorphology, and stratigraphy. Importance. Helps date archaeological deposits. Reconstructs site formation processes, how a site came to be buried. Identifies natural versus human-made features. Example, analyzing river terrace sediments to locate prehistoric habitation layers. 8. Action archaeology. Action archaeology uses archaeological knowledge to address contemporary social, cultural, and environmental problems. Philosophy. Archaeology isn't just about the past, it can guide modern decision-making. Applications. Reviving traditional agricultural techniques for sustainable farming. Using ancient water management systems to solve present-day drought issues. Preserving cultural heritage to strengthen community identity. Example, restoring ancient Andean terrace farming to combat soil erosion today. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.